In a zombie apocalypse, you never know what kind of situations you will encounter. That's why it's important to have a well-stocked survival kit that will help you stay alive and protect yourself from the undead. In this video, we'll be discussing the essential items that you need in your zombie apocalypse survival kit. Water. Water. The first essential item for your zombie apocalypse survival kit is water. You need to have a reliable source of clean drinking water to stay hydrated and avoid dehydration. You should have at least 1 gallon of water per person per day in your survival kit, and also carry water purification tablets or a water filter to make sure your water is safe to drink. Food. Food. The next essential item for your zombie apocalypse survival kit is food. You need to have non-perishable food items that are easy to carry and provide enough energy to keep you going. Canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, energy bars, and jerky are all great options. First aid kit. 1/1 aid kit is an essential item for your zombie apocalypse survival kit. You should have basic medical supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and adhesive tape. You should also include medication for pain relief, anti-inflammatory medication, and any prescription medication that you may need. Tools. Having the right tools can make all the difference. You should have a sturdy knife, a hatchet, and a multi-tool. You can also include a crowbar, a hammer, a handsaw, and a pry bar. Clothing. Clothing and shelter are essential items for your zombie apocalypse survival kit. You need to have warm clothing, a hat, gloves, and a rain poncho to protect you from the elements. You should also have a durable tent, sleeping bag, and tarp for shelter. Communication. Communication is important during a zombie apocalypse, and having a radio or a walkie-talkie can be crucial to staying informed and connected to other survivors. You should also carry spare batteries and a solar charger. Self-defense. Self-defense is an essential item for your zombie apocalypse survival kit. You should have a reliable weapon such as a gun, a crossbow, or a machete. You should also have pepper spray or a stun gun as a backup. Shelter. When it comes to a zombie apocalypse, finding shelter is crucial for survival. The ideal shelter would provide protection from both the zombies and the elements. The location of your shelter is critical. You want to find a spot that is secluded and hidden from view to avoid attracting zombies. Look for areas that are elevated or have natural barriers such as hills, cliffs, or dense forests. The type of shelter you build will depend on your resources and skill level. A sturdy, well-built structure, such as a cabin or bunker, is ideal. But if that's not an option, you can also use existing buildings, such as abandoned houses or warehouses, but be sure to clear them of any zombies before settling in. Consider setting up a tent or using a tarp to create a makeshift shelter. Remember, no shelter is foolproof, so it's important to always be vigilant and prepared for any situation that may arise. Navigation. Navigation is a crucial aspect of survival. During a zombie apocalypse, knowing how to navigate the terrain and find your way to safety can mean the difference between life and death. Make sure you have up-to-date maps of the area you are in. These can be physical maps or digital maps on a phone or GPS device. Identify landmarks such as mountains, rivers, and other distinct features to help you navigate. These can help you orient yourself and find your way to safety. Remember, navigation during a zombie apocalypse can be challenging, so it's essential to practice your skills and be prepared for any situation that may arise. These are some of the essentials items that you need in your zombie apocalypse survival kit. By being prepared with these items, you'll have a better chance of surviving and staying safe in a world overrun by the undead. Stay safe and remember to always be ready for anything that comes your way.